This conference will now be recorded.
Hello. Hello, everyone. In previous session, we completed 3 steps. First one, define company. Second one, define company code. And third one, assign company code to company. So in a previous session, we completed 3 steps. Step number 1, define company. Step number 2, define company code. In a step number 3, assign company code to company. So we'll continue our second session, enterprise structure, second session. Step number 4, define business area. Define business area. So simply you can call the organizational unit within the accounting that represents separate area of operations and responsibilities. Or simply you can call business area is nothing but sub-company locations. Now we have to create sub-company locations. Sub-company is nothing but S7. So the same way we have a path and transaction code for step number 4. In transaction command, we have to type SPRO, SAP reference IMG called implementation guide, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and define business area. Define means creation. Business area is nothing but individual and separate business unit. Simply you can call locations. For example, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai, Kolkata, and etc. Transaction code is OX03. So now I will show you path and transaction code both. Please continue. After assigning, we have to go back by using \n from active screen to home screen. From active screen to home screen by using \n. So simply you can use OX03 for define business area. Otherwise, we can use path. So in transaction command, we have to type SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Next, definition. Next, financial accounting. Define business area, sub-company, location. Okay, so business area, \n. Otherwise, you can OX03, the same step in a pathwise or transaction code wise. Please note down step number 4. Okay, so after path, we'll continue practical. So please continue. Select new entries on application bar, F5 shortcut key. So for example, we can use minimum 1 letter up to 4 digits. The business area will accept alphanumeric both. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Up to 4 we can. So more than 4, it's not possible. The business area will applicable up to 4 digits. But for easy identification purpose, I am giving S7 is my sub-company name and H Hyderabad business area for S7. S7 is my sub-company name and H for Hyderabad. S7B Bangalore business area for S7. Mumbai business area for S7. S7 for Delhi business area for 7. So for example, I am giving here S7 is my company name. H will indicate for Hyderabad and B will indicate for Bangalore and Mumbai and Delhi. So here I am creating 4 business areas for my company, but in real time you have to create based on your locations. So SAP will accept up to 4 digits, but I am giving 3 digits. You can give 2 digits or 1 digit or 4 digits. So more than 4 letters, it's not possible. So S7 will indicate for my sub company and remaining letter will indicate for location. So this is called description for user identification purpose. So now I am giving 4 locations, the 2 locations for south and 2 locations for north for easy identification as a session point of view. Just press enter and save. So we get same prompt and it is our request number, it is our identification name, then save. For example, you have to select one more another or any other, go for own request for existing request data. If you have a creation, if you want to create a new description, then go for create request. Create request is a F8 shortcut key for new data request. On reports request will execute by F7 for existing data request. Already the Sri Krishna Infotech, our data request is activated, just you directly save. Data was saved. For a technical information point of view, just you click here technical information. Just before we created Hyderabad and Bangalore and Delhi and Mumbai, the 4 locations stored into this table V underscore TGSB and field name GSBER. The table name and field name will indicate for only technical information, is a backend process. Close. So up to now we created locations also. Now we have to create consolidation, business consolidations. Step number next. Maintain consolidation business areas. Maintain consolidation business areas is nothing but is a zone creation. It's work for a consolidation purpose. For example, in a previous step, we created Hyderabad and Bangalore. The Hyderabad and Bangalore or Karnataka or any other branches, that all branches will come under South India. The remaining branches will come under North. Some branches will come under particular zone. That's called maintain consolidation business area. It's work for a consolidation purpose. At the same time, we have a path and transaction code. So please note down step number next. Please write. Okay. Maintain consolidation business areas. So we have to select a transaction command, type SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, maintain consolidation business area, transaction code OCC1. So we'll go for practical. Step number next. How to get back? \n enter. So in transaction command, we have to type SPRO, select SAP reference IMG for implementation. Enterprise structure, next definition, but you have to click here. Next, financial accounting. Next, maintain consolidation business area. What is transaction code? OCC1 is the transaction code. So now we have to create zone. So we'll go for practical. So please write down. select new entries. On information bar is a new entries. So now I'm creating S7 is my sub company. Again, I'm giving SI. South India Consolidation Business Area for S7. S7 NI North India Consolidation Business Area for S7. In previous step, we created locations. Now we are creating zone. S7 will indicate for my sub company. SI will indicate for South India. NI will indicate for North India. South and North. Press enter and save. And save. After save, we get one message. Data was saved. Select technical information. Table name V_TGSBK and field name GSBER_KONS is a technical information of consolidation business area, is a backend technical information. And please note down. So while using a path, we have a documentation. This is called documentation. For example, if you have any requirement, just you click on documentation, automatically we get one basic note for configurations. What is maintained consolidation area? So it will be nothing but a description. For example, if I click on define business area, just you click here. So what is defined business area? So simply, it is nothing but an overview. From SAP, we have a help, is a documentation help, each and every step having basic overview. What is edit, comma, copy, comma, delete, comma, check company code. Just you click here on documentation, just you try to read is an overview of step. So up to now we created head company creation, sub company creations, and connection between head company to sub company. After we created business area locations and consolidation business area locations, now we have to interlink between these levels. So next step, assign business area to consolidation business area. So please note down. Assign business area to consolidation business area. Path SPRO SAP reference IMG enterprise structure assignment financial accounting assign business area to consolidation business area transaction code OBB6 is a transaction code. So in a previous session we created zones South India and North India. Before previous we created Hyderabad, Bangalore and Delhi and Mumbai. So now in this step we have to integrate between business locations to zone. Assign business area to consolidation business area. So we'll go for practical. So in transaction command, we have to type SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting. So here we have to type assign business area to consolidation business area. Assign business area to consolidation business area. BB6 is the transaction code. You can go through pathwise or transaction code wise. So please continue practical. Select to position tab. Select to position tab, business area. So in a previous we created 4 like S7H, S7B, S7D, S7M, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad. So now just you write business area S7 star and enter. Star is nothing but the remaining third letter will reflect. So now please check the screen here. B will work for Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad and Mumbai. So please check the screen here. So Bangalore will work under S7 SI, South India. Bangalore will work under South India. S7D, S7 NI, it will work under North India. Hyderabad will work under South India. The Mumbai will work under North India. So now we created in business areas. This is a description. We created in consolidation business area and it's called a description. So from now, Hyderabad and Bangalore will reports to South India and Delhi and Mumbai will reports to North India. So please note down. Okay. After again, save. After save, enter. Data was saved. So simply we are integrating between business area to consolidation business area. So after save, we get one message, data was saved. Select to technical information, table name, V underscore GSB underscore A, field name GSBER, table name and field name of assign business area to consolidation business area. So we'll go for next step. Define credit control area. So please note down next step. Define credit control area. Define business area. After next step, define credit control area. Simply it is nothing but expense maintaining area. Expenditure maintaining area. So path SPRO SAP reference IMG enterprise structure definition financial accounting define credit control area. So create expense maintaining area. Transaction code OB45. In previous we created 6 steps. Step number 1, head company creation. Step number 2 is a sub company creation. Step number 3, assign head company to sub company. Step number 4, define business area. Step number 5, define consolidation business area for a zone creation. In a step number 6, we assign business area to consolidation business area. So now we are in step number 7, define credit control area, and transaction code is OB45 and path. So we'll go for practical. Step number 7. Okay, so how to get back from active screen to home screen? /n. So if you want, you can use OB45 transaction code or SPRO SAP reference IMG enterprise structure, but you have to click here. Definition, financial accounting, define credit control area, OB45 transaction code, OB45. We'll go for practical. So please write down, select new entries, credit control area S7, and our subcompany currency INR, Indian currency. So just you have to fill credit control area and currency. In next session, I will show you how to create fiscal year variant and etc. So now we have to create credit control area S7 because our subcompany name also S7. For easy identification purpose, I am using S7, but there is no condition. If you want, you can write any other name. So there is no logic to write S7, but for a user identification point of view, I am giving same name. Currency INR, enter and save. So please note, after enter and save, data was saved, but we have to write a description of credit control area. For that, you have to use back arrow F3 shortcut key. And here, so please write credit control area for S7. This is called identification, user identification S7. CCAR, credit control area S7, description, credit control area for S7, enter and save. Data was saved. For example, if you want to change any description, you have to go position and select S7 and edit. So each and every step, for a creation new entries, for alter, for assigning, for edit, position tab. Data was saved. Table name and field name. Okay, so is the technical information. So simply enter and save is nothing but your step number 7 also done. The next step. So please note down step number next, assign company code to credit control area. Assign company code to credit control area. select to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to credit control area. OB38 is a transaction code. So simply, in previous session we created expense maintaining area. Now we have to link with that expenditure area to our company code. In future, if you make any transaction related of expense and cost, the all transaction will record under credit control area. What is transaction code? OB38. So now you have to assign. We'll go for practical. In a transaction command, you type here SPRO, press enter, select to SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to credit control area. Assign company code to credit control area. Company code means sub company. Credit control area is nothing but expense maintaining area. So here we are giving connection between sub company to expense maintaining area. So just you have to click position tab. Company code. What is our company name? Company code is S7. Company code S7. Press enter. COCD called company code. Company name. City. CCAR, credit control area. So now I have to give connection between expense maintaining area to company code. So now I'm giving S7. S7 is our expense area. Enter and save. Enter and save. Data was saved. Data was saved. Is the expense maintaining area overview. Is the technical information, table name and field name. Table name V_001_X is the table name, and field name KKBER is the technical information. So this step will stored into particular that table and the field. Field is nothing but a column. Okay, each and every data will stored into database based on the field wise. Enter and see. We created expense maintaining area and we assigned with our company code. We'll go for next step. Funds management or financial management area. In a previous we created expense maintaining area. Now we have to create financial management area, because each and every business will get some revenue or income, all revenue and income will stored under financial management area. All expenses and costs will record under credit control areas. So now, so please, funds management or financial management, okay, a central organizational unit for a funds management. Okay, so please write path and transaction code. So please note down. Step number 9. Okay, so path, select transaction command, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, maintain FM area, transaction code OF01 transaction code. So now we have to create financial management area, transaction code OF01. We'll go for practical. So it's called transaction command, SPRO, press enter, SAP reference IMG called implementation guide, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, maintain FM area, financial management area. Select two new entries, so FM area, for easy identification I am giving S7. Financial management F7, using currency INR, Indian currency, enter, enter and save. Financial management area S7, enter and save. Data was saved. Press technical information, table name and field name. table name v_fm01_a and field name FIKRS is a field name. So in a previous step, we created credit control area for expense maintaining. Now we are creating financial management area for revenue or financial management, fund management. Enter and save. So we created step number 9. The next, we have to assign financial management area to our company code. Step number 10. So please note down step number 10. Assign company code to financial management area. Financial management area. So assign means linking. Company code, our sub company. Financial management area also S7 because we are giving same name for easy identifications. OF01 transaction code and path. Select transaction command. Type SPRO SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Assignment. Financial accounting. Assign company code to financial management area. OF01 is transaction code. So simply link between sub company to financial management area by using OF18 is a transaction code. We'll go for practical. \n \n for home screen. Select to transaction command and type SPRO. Select to SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Select to assignment. Select to financial accounting. Next, assign company code to financial management area. Okay, after select to position tab, company code S7. Company code S7, press enter. Press enter. FM area. Just before we created our FM area also S7. S7 is called financial management of S7. Enter. Okay. So FM area description. Company code and company code description. COCD called company code. Okay. So please note down, enter and save. Enter and save. So please write data was saved. Data was saved. So your table name V underscore T001 underscore FM, field name BUKRS is a technical information. Already we discussed in a previous session. So in SAP, each and every step will stored under particular field in particular table. So each and every table having so many fields is a backend procedure. Enter and save. So up to now we've done 10 steps. So next step, define segment and path. There is no transaction code for this step. Must and should you have to go through path only. Remaining steps having path and T code both, but define segment having only path. Define segment is nothing but organization overview, and please note down define segment. Define segment. So we'll go for practical. Select transaction command, SPRO, SAP reference, IMG, enterprise structure, select definition, select financial accounting, define segment. Select define segment. So please continue. Select new entries. For my identification purpose, I am giving S7 underscore segment. Okay, so the segment will work for a reporting point of view. So please write. Okay, enter and save. Data was saved. So table name and field name. So up to now, we done completed one topic, enterprise structure. Enterprise structure having 11 steps: define company code, assign company code to company, define business area, maintain consolidation business area, assign business area to consolidation business area, define credit control area, assign company code to credit control area, define financial management area, assign company code to financial management area, and define segment. So it's 11 steps. Thank you. In next session, we'll discuss organization structure overview and each and every step description, and what is real-time organization structure process, and interview point of view questions. So up to now, we completed organization structure practically, and tomorrow we'll discuss theoretical concept with interview point of view questions and overview. If you have any requirement, so please text me on WhatsApp. If you have any questions or queries, please mail to srikrishnainfotech@gmail.com. And for further videos, please follow Sri Krishna Infotech YouTube channel. Thank you.